Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Now in this video I'm going to take you through the members area of Infinitii, which is a brand new product based around the e-com niche. Now if you're anything like me, you may have tried e-com before and it may not have actually panned out for you. E-com is not something that I do an awful lot of, I'll be perfectly honest with you, but I have colleagues that make an absolute fortune with it. So if you have tried it, or if you're interested in e-com, then check out this video. So what I'm going to show you is essentially available in the front end. So I'm not going to talk about upgrades or anything like that. Everything you see in this video is included with the front end, and I'll check the price for you before I finish this video. But again, I think it's pretty cheap, and with the front end, it's going to give you a start. So let's take a look. This is the welcome area. So we have a video in there. That's just going to take you through the overview of the course, and then we have a number of training videos. Now you'll notice that all of these are videos, so if you hate reading PDFs, then videos are here ready for you to watch. So introduction, the process, there's complimentary gift here, advanced cloud-based store builder software. So that's included there with the product. Tools required, again video, so that's 3 videos so far, plus up here there's a case study, and we'll have a look at that in a moment. So anatomy of a product display, again another video. You can see there's details of a product that they've actually sold there, testing and product fulfillment. So basically from start to finish, how to get started in e-com. Now I happen to know that this particular e-com system is print on demand, so you're not going to need any upfront money, which is always good with e-com, because a lot of people get confused with e-com. Some people might assume that you need to buy minimum stock levels, which could cost you thousands, and for some systems then you're going to need to do that. With this one you're not, so there's no upfront costs. Something they've also included here is let's just click on this one here. Okay, so here you can actually download their software. Now their software aligns with WooCommerce, and it allows you to do a number of different things. I'm not going to give it all away here, but it will allow you to discount different items, bulk purchase, so you can provide discount on bulk purchases. So essentially you can get people to buy more than one item. Now going through this course, I can see that, as I say, it's print on demand. It shows you where to find the most popular products which people are queuing up to buy. So you're not going to have to worry about having a load of stock or listing a load of stock that nobody's interested in. They'll show you where to look for successful products and then where to look for audiences. So I guess it is a complete business model. Again, e-com isn't for everybody, but if you are interested in e-com, then Infinitii might be worth checking out. So again, print on demand. They'll show you the complete setup. They'll give you a store builder theme, so you don't have to worry about signing up for Shopify, which would cost you quite a bit of money each and every month. They'll show you where to get the traffic, the audience, the visitors, buyers, and you'll also get the software that comes with it. All of this is included in the front end, and we also have a case study. So you can see that the case study is $7,468 in 25 days. So if you are interested in e-com, check out Infinitii. It's a very simple process. You won't have to carry any stock. There's no upfront costs. Like I say, it's print on demand. So your customers order, they pay you, then the work begins. But obviously you don't do any of the work. So it's just like taking orders really. And if you check out the link underneath this video, it'll take you over to my post, which is kind of a review, a breakdown of the e-com system, but it also includes something that you can include. It's another piece of software that will more or less ensure that anybody that does visit your site, your e-com site, is going to make a purchase. Now you can use this in absolutely any niche whatsoever. So this will be my bonus if you do decide to purchase Infinitii through me. Currently on sale for $67. You'll get it for nothing. So click the link underneath this video, go over, check out the whole post. It'll explain Infinitii, simple e-com, and how to make money from e-com a lot better than I can in this video. And you can see details of the bonus that I'll be including today. Thanks for watching.